Fetch AI continues to see higher prices after we continued to hold within a Fibonacci key area of support here on the daily chart between the 0.486 and the 0.669. And on today's update video, I will be discussing reasons why we can easily get a massive bounce, getting us back above the 1.59 mark in the next coming days. So make sure that you stick around till the end of the video. And starting the video here on the daily chart, from the lows we made on the 7th of April, I have been observing a 5-wave structure that is an edge wave structure over here, where I have been terming that initial bounce as the formation of that first wave. And after we picked in the formation of that wave 1, we started a bit of a pullback over here in the formation of this wave 2, whose minimum target areas I came up with by connecting the Fibonacci's from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1. And on so doing, you can see that my minimum pullback target area was between the fib level 0.5 and the 7.8, and that is an area that we have not fully maximized, and we are seeing a reaction of this target area giving us a bit of a bounce to the upper side in what can easily turn out to be the start of a very impulsive bounce in the formation of this wave 3, whose minimum target areas can be given by connecting the fib extension from the low of the wave 1 to the high of that first wave, then connecting the Fibonacci's to the low of the wave 2. And on so doing, the area that you need to pay attention to lies on the fib level 1.618, and that lies above the 1.597 as your next target area. And for us to get enough confirmation that the wave 3 is just getting started, we first need to see a break above the wave 1 high that we made above the 0.995. So the moment we see a push breaking above that significant high, flipping it back into support maybe with a retest, then we should expect higher prices to the 1.597 as our next target areas. And the moment we pick in the formation of that wave 3, then we should expect a slight pullback in the formation of this wave 4 before we can continue pushing higher in the formation of that wave 5 to the upper side. So that is my long-term perspective of the Fetch AI chart for the next coming days. Taking a look at the 4-hour chart, on the 4-hour chart, I have a key area of resistance over here that lies between the 0.897 and the 0.721. And that was given after getting a 5-wave structure to the downside from the highs we made above the 0.995, where you can see that we completed that 5-wave structure. And having seen the 5-wave structure, I was expecting that we are going to get a bit of a corrective bounce in an ABC corrective movement, where you can see that I am terming this bounce as the formation of the wave A, a pullback in a wave B, and this is the formation of the wave C. And the minimum target area for the ABC corrective structure was given by connecting the fibs from the high of the first wave to the low of that wave 5. And on so doing, you can see the area lies between the fib level 0.78 and the fib level 0.382. And within this target area, we can get two scenarios. And the first one is that we can get rejected and get a slight pullback into the golden pocket on the Fibonacci's. Alternatively, in case we continue seeing higher prices and maybe we still have that bullish momentum to continue pushing the price higher, we can easily get a break out of this red target area to the upper side, and that will be a clear indication that a more bullish case scenario is unfolding, where we can easily get a break above our key area of resistance above the 0.95 mark in the next coming days, flip it into support maybe with a retest, and continue pushing higher, breaking above the 1 USDT mark. So that is the second alternative scenario, and that means that this key area of resistance over here is going to dictate which of the two scenarios is going to unfold in the next coming hours. So we need to pay attention to this area over here. A break to the upper side, then we should expect higher prices having the 0.95 and the 1 USDT mark as our next target areas. But if by any chance we get rejected, then using the Fibonacci's, all you need to do is just connect the fibs from the lows down here to the highs we make, and then watch out for the golden pocket between the fib level 0.5 and the 618 as the area within which you should find support, and then start another reversal to the upper side. So that is all that I'm expecting here on the Fetch AI chart on the short term and also on the long term, and let us be patient and see how that plays out, and I will ensure you stay up to date.